Hey guys, it's Wanda and welcome to Crazy Days. Today I had to go grocery shopping and I'm going to show you what I picked up. Danny and I harvested onions a few days ago, so I picked up 2 of those and brought them in. And then in Danny's high tunnel, they're quite a bit different. They did not grow very well in the high tunnel this year. These did not do very well, but they will eat. I'm going to mix them with some potatoes and a little bit of some fingerlings that we dug a couple of weeks ago. In Danny's high tunnel, I picked 3 of the Full Jew jalapenos. They are not hot, delicious jalapenos, good for a salad. My second cucumber, a variety of tomatoes, lettuce, and 1 piece of an asparagus to go in a salad. I've got the eggs from the chickens, so got them in. I went to my counter, my pantry, and gluten-free corn flour from 16. Yeah, I still got some from way on back, and I'm going to be using that to make some cakes for Danny. I make cupcakes with apples or applesauce and corn flour. And in this bucket, I've got yellow wax beans and some green peas or English peas in the bottom. We're going to be grilling some of these beans, and then I'm going to boil the others for another meal. As you can see, my pantry is getting kind of bare. So I had to go shopping. I went down and got a whole bunch of canned sweet potatoes from our cellar to fill in. I got, I guess, some whole figs, pear honey, and I know some of it's upside down, sorry, English peas, carrots, cranberry sauce, apples, pears, and that's more apples from 18. I'm still trying to use up some old stuff. Some okra, beef and broth, beef stew, gumbo, several gumbos, some sweet relish, and what was this? Pink-eyed peas. So, all of these have got to go on my shelves. So how do you like that for grocery shopping? I just thought I would show you what I picked up at the grocery store today. Danny and I eat from this daily. I probably clear out 4 to 6 jars a day. And we don't buy any veggies or fruits from the store. And now we have our own meat, so I'm not even buying any meats from the store. Tonight, I think I'm going to fry Danny some okra. I'm going to grill some of the yellow wax beans. We're going to have a salad. And I think he's going to have a hamburger. And let's see, what else can we fix him? Carrots. I haven't harvested the carrots. That's one thing I did not do while I was out. I've got to go get carrots, and we're going to make some more carrot salad. I think that would make a nice supper. Oh, by the way, he's got cornbread. Yeah, I made cornbread yesterday. So, when your pantry starts getting bare, where do you go? To the grocery store or my grocery store? That's where I go, is to my grocery store. I go out to the high tunnels, the garden. I go to the cellar, wherever I need my pantry, and I fill this back up. This is not considered my pantry exactly. This is just my dining room where I have some shelves that has food on it. And I love my shelves. I have a variety of stuff, and I've got to get canning. I have emptied so many jars this winter, but that's what it's all about. When you have your own food, emptying the jars is a good thing because you can fill them back up the next year. Let's pray that the garden does well and I can start filling these things back up. Better, much better. To fill it up, I'd have to make another trip, make a list before I go down of what's actually missing in these spots and fill in the spots. But this will keep us good. Still have quite a few carrots left in this bed along with petunias. Isn't that gorgeous? So we're going to harvest carrots for supper tonight and carrot salad for the week. I cleaned out the corner here. I got enough carrots for supper and salad and everything, so we've got plenty of nice carrots. I'm going to gradually clean out corner by corner, space by space till I finish, and I'll probably freeze dry some more carrots.